You are a mother and also a woman. A humidifier for your precious health. Vvint Moisture Care was born. Clean, healthy, and safe humidification created with a mother's heart in mind. Humidification that makes your skin moisturized through the heart of a woman. A smart humidifier that is easy and convenient to use. Healthy, beautiful, and smart. Vvint Moisture Care Natural Humidifier. Vvint Moisture Care, born with a woman's heart in mind. Cleaner and healthier. Clean and safe humidification found in nature. Experience the special moisturizing skincare effect of bacteria-free, pure hydrogen water treated with the plasma ionizer. Silent and continuous humidification even in the middle of night. Your skin becomes moisturized while you are asleep. Easier and more convenient to use for women. Can easily be dismantled, including the internal fan when cleaning. 99.9% antibacterial washable filter. Convenient water replenishment. Automatic and smart water level sensing. Received the Gold Tower Order of Industrial Service Merit in 2015 in recognition of the 20-year expertise of Daewoo Electronics. Speedy and convenient AS throughout the country. Reasonable price and unique design. Vvint Moisture Care.